Hi everyone, welcome to Student Health Services. My name is Shakoya Newman and I'm the Health Information Specialist here. Today I will be showing you how to waive your health insurance. First thing we're going to do is start off on the Student Health Services website. We're going to then click on the Health Insurance tab. Next we will click on the waiver/enrollment link. This is going to redirect us to the Gallagher website. Once we get to the Gallagher website, we're going to log into our profile using our SIU.edu email address. Next, we will use our password that should have been sent to our SIU.edu email address by Gallagher. If you have not received this temporary password or you're having login issues, please contact Gallagher directly and they will be able to assist you. If you have previously waived, you will be asked if you would like to use prior waiver information. If you haven't waived before, then you will have to go along with the steps to insert all of your insurance information. The first thing that we're going to do is click on the waive button. We're going to check this box, just acknowledging that the information that we're going to provide on this form is true and correct. Then we will insert the information of who is completing the application. Click continue. Step 2 will be insert the insurance company information. All of this information can be found on your insurance card. Just go along with the steps and insert everything that's on your card. For the subscriber information, are you the subscriber? You will select yes if you're the only person on your plan, or no if your mom or parent is the subscriber for the plan. The next thing that you will do is hit complete and submit. Then we're going to check the waiver status. It says it has been submitted. And that is how you waive your student health insurance. For more student health insurance questions, please refer to our student health insurance website. And you can also refer to the UHC website or Gallagher Student Health for questions about claims, benefits, eligibility, or to verify enrollment, or just general questions about your waiver or student health insurance. Have a great day.